Hello everyone. Welcome back to Global MEP Academy. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between an AHU air handling unit and an FCU fan coil unit? Many HVAC beginners get confused because both are used for air conditioning. However, their working principles, applications, and components are quite different. In this video, we'll understand what is an AHU, what is an FCU, key differences between AHU and FCU. Applications. Which one is better and where? So let's get started. What is an AHU? AHU stands for Air Handling Unit. It is a large HVAC equipment used to condition and distribute air throughout a building. An AHU supplies fresh air, filters dust, cools or heats the air, and delivers it through ductwork. Normally, AHUs are installed inside plant rooms, rooftops, or dedicated AHU rooms. They are connected to chiller chilled water system, boiler hot water system, duct system, fresh air intake, exhaust system. Main components of AHU. A typical AHU consists of mixing box, fresh air damper, return air damper, air filters, cooling coil, heating coil, fan, humidifier, optional, drain pan, control dampers. Each component has its own function to provide clean and comfortable air. How AHU works. Outside fresh air enters the AHU. Return air from the building also enters. Both air streams mix together. The mixed air passes through filters. Dust and contaminants are removed. Then air passes through the cooling coil. The chilled water absorbs heat from the air. Now the air becomes cool. The supply fan pushes this conditioned air into ducts. Finally, cool air reaches different rooms through diffusers. What is FCU? FCU stands for Fan Coil Unit. It is a smaller HVAC terminal unit. Its main job is to cool or heat a single room or a small area. Unlike an AHU, an FCU generally does not supply fresh air. It mainly recirculates indoor air. FCUs are installed hotel rooms, offices, apartments, hospital rooms, villas, small commercial spaces. Main components of FCU. An FCU generally contains fan, cooling coil, heating coil, optional, air filter, condensate drain pan, motor, thermostat. Compared to AHU, FCU has fewer components. How FCU works. Room air is sucked into the FCU. The air passes through a filter. Dust is removed. Then the air flows through the cooling coil. Cold, chilled water cools the air. The fan blows the cooled air back into the room. This process repeats continuously until the desired temperature is achieved. AHU versus FCU. 1. Size. AHU is much larger. FCU is compact and small. 2. Fresh air. AHU supplies fresh air. FCU usually does not supply fresh air. 3. Ductwork. AHU requires large duct systems. FCU requires little or no ductwork. 4. Coverage area. AHU serves multiple rooms or entire floors. FCU serves only one room or a small zone. 5. Installation. AHU is installed in plant rooms or rooftops. FCU is installed inside ceilings or rooms. 6. Air quality. AHU provides better ventilation because it includes fresh air. FCU mainly recirculates indoor air. 7. Maintenance. AHU maintenance is more extensive because of its larger size and more components. FCU maintenance is simpler. 8. Cost. AHU systems have higher installation costs. FCUs are generally more economical for small spaces where AHU is used. AHUs are commonly used in shopping malls, airports, hospitals, commercial buildings, factories, data centers, where FCU is used. FCUs are commonly used in hotels, apartments, residential buildings, office cabins, hospital patient rooms, villas. Advantages of AHU. Supplies fresh air. Better indoor air quality. Suitable for large buildings. Better humidity control. Can serve multiple zones. Advantages of FCU. Compact size. Easy installation. Lower initial cost. Individual room temperature control. Low maintenance. Which one should you choose? If your building is
Lower
large and
initial
requires
cost,
fresh air
individual room
ventilation,
temperature
an
control,
AHU
low
is the better
maintenance.
choice.
Which
If
one
you
should you
need
choose?
independent
If your building
temperature
is
control
large
for
and
individual
requires fresh
rooms
air
with a smaller
ventilation,
budget,
an
an
AHU
FCU
is the better
better
choice.
option. In many modern buildings, both AHUs and FCUs are used together. The AHU provides fresh air, while the FCUs handle room cooling efficiently. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap. AHU is large and supplies fresh air through ducts. FCU is compact and mainly recirculates room air. AHU is suitable for large commercial buildings. FCU is ideal for hotels, apartments, and small offices. Both are important HVAC equipment, but they are designed for different purposes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Global MEP Academy for more HVAC and MEP engineering content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.